There's a place that I dream of, beautiful white sand, sitting in a silver bay. I see the shimmering water, the shape of the palm trees. I can sit and dream all day. I feel the warmth of the sunshine, touching the white shores, seagulls dancing on the sea. I see the boats in the distance, out on the horizon, sailing through my fantasy.